We have completely refined the engine. We have retained the original cylinder block, which has the best quality and strength. We have replaced all the internal parts of the engine with new ones. The parts replaced outside the engine include brand new turbocharger, brand new flywheel, brand new injection pump, six brand new injection nozzle, brand new air pump, brand new water pump, brand new generator, brand new air conditioning compressor, brand new oil sump and engine oil pump. We fully optimized the engine to ensure the performance and fuel efficiency of the engine.